Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize WordPress to integrate with WooCommerce Stripe, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the left sidebar and find the plugins section. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and install the WooCommerce plugin if you haven't already. Once installed, activate the WooCommerce plugin. Next, search for the WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway plugin. Install and activate this plugin as well. After activation, go to the WooCommerce settings by clicking on WooCommerce in the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, click on the Payments tab. You will see a list of available payment gateways. Find Stripe in the list and click on the toggle to enable it. Once enabled, click on the Stripe option to configure its settings. In the Stripe settings, you will need to enter your Stripe API keys. To get your API keys, log in to your Stripe account. Navigate to the Developers section in the Stripe dashboard. Click on API keys to find your publishable key and secret key. Copy the publishable key and paste it into the designated field in your WooCommerce Stripe settings. Next, copy the secret key and paste it in the corresponding field. Ensure that the Enable Stripe checkbox is checked. You can also customize other settings such as the payment request button and Stripe payment icons. Once you finish configuring, scroll down and click on Save Changes. For testing, you may want to switch to test mode by checking the box. Repeat the process by entering the test API keys from your Stripe dashboard. Now, run a test transaction to ensure everything is working correctly. After confirming successful transactions, you can switch back to live mode by unchecking the test mode option. Your WooCommerce store is now authorized to integrate with Stripe. You can start accepting payments securely on your WordPress site with WooCommerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.